All right, we're going to take a look at an ellipse here. So with this one here, we're given general form. We want to find the equation in standard form. I don't think I actually need to graph this one at all because I'm just writing the equation. Let's see what we have here. So we're going to group the x terms together. So let's see, that's going to give us 8x squared minus 16x. My y terms are going to be minus 5y squared plus 40y. And then I'm going to take that minus 112, I'm going to add it to both sides. This is going to be equals 112. Okay, next thing I need to do is I need to take a GCF out of my x and y groupings. Okay, so out of 8x squared minus 16x, I'm going to take an 8 out. I'm not going to take an x out because I want to leave it in quadratic form. So I'm going to take an 8 out, and that's going to give me x squared minus 2x. And then I'm going to leave a blank here. And then here I am going to take well, we can leave that there. I'm going to take, there's a minus sign here. I'm going to take a negative 5 out. Okay, so negative 5, that's going to give me a y squared minus 8y. And then I'm going to leave a blank. And then this is still 112 over here. Okay, next thing I want to do is I want to do my complete the square step. So I'm going to take my b term, and then I'm going to go b over 2 squared. So negative 2 squared is negative 1, squared is 1. So I'm going to add a 1 over here. When I do this, because I have this grouped, okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add 1, but I also have to multiply by my GCF. So I'm going to add a 1 times 8. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I'm going to take this b term, okay, the negative 8. So negative 8 over 2 is negative 4. Squared is positive 16. So this is going to be plus 16. Then here I'm going to go plus 16 times my GCF of negative 5. So remember the sign there. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I need to factor. Okay, so factor these. This is going to be 8, and then inside that's going to be an x minus 1 squared. That's going to be minus 5. This is going to be y minus 4 squared. And then let's add all of this together. So that is going to be 112 plus 8 plus 16 times 5. So that should give you, 16 times negative 5. Hold on, 112 plus 8 plus 16 times negative 5. That will make a difference. There you get 40. Then the last thing we're going to do is set this equal to 1. So we're going to divide by 40. Okay, so that is going to reduce to 1/5. This is going to reduce to 1/8, and this is going to reduce to 1. So we're going to get the equation x minus 1 squared over 5 minus y minus 4 squared over 8 equals 1. So this should be D. And then also this is a hyperbola because of the minus sign.